Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of online privacy and security with a complete guide to setting up and using Dark Tunnel VPN. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a simple solution, this app is an excellent choice. I'll walk you through every step, from downloading the app to connecting to a secure server and verifying your connection. Let's get started. The first step is to get the app on your device. You can find Dark Tunnel VPN on the Google Play Store, but if for any reason you can't, there's an alternative. Simply visit the UDP custom website, navigate to the menu, and tap on All Country VPN to find the download link. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and launch it. Upon opening the app for the first time, you'll notice that it automatically updates its server list. This ensures you always have the latest options for fast and secure connections. You will then be prompted to grant notification permissions. It's a good idea to allow this so you can stay informed about your connection status. Now let's talk about the heart of the app, its protocols and servers. Dark Tunnel VPN offers three main protocols. The default protocol is UDP, which comes with its own unique list of servers. Next, you have WireGuard. If you select this protocol, the server list will change to show options specific to WireGuard. Finally, there is Fast DNS, which offers a selection of fast servers for optimized performance. You can switch between these protocols easily to find the one that best suits your needs. Before you connect, take a moment to explore the three-dot menu in the top corner. Here you will find various settings, including a very useful logs section. The logs allow you to see a detailed history of your connection activity, which is great for troubleshooting. When you are ready to connect, simply tap the large Connect button on the main screen. The app will quickly establish a secure tunnel. To verify your connection, you can go back into the logs section and check the connection details. The most important step, however, is to confirm that your IP address has changed, which you can easily do using any online IP checker. This confirms that your online activity is now private and secure. And that's it. You're now connected and protected with Dark Tunnel VPN. This app makes it incredibly simple to secure your online presence and access content safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and tips. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.